How big are marine phytoplankton? Have you ever wondered about the tiny plants that float in our oceans? Marine phytoplankton are the unsung heroes of marine ecosystems. They are microscopic plants that serve as the foundation of the marine food web. But just how big are these fascinating organisms? Marine phytoplankton come in a variety of sizes, which is quite remarkable. The smallest among them are called picoplankton. These tiny organisms measure about 0.62 to 2 micrometers in diameter. To put that into perspective, a micrometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. As we move up the size scale, we find larger forms of phytoplankton, such as diatoms and dinoflagellates. Diatoms can range from 3 to 155 micrometers in size. Some of them are even larger, reaching up to 228 micrometers. Dinoflagellates can also be quite sizable, with some species falling within that same range. Interestingly, while most phytoplankton are single-celled, some can form colonies, which can be much larger. However, these larger colonial forms are less common. The size of phytoplankton plays an essential role in their growth rates and how they interact with their environment. Smaller phytoplankton tend to grow more quickly and are better at absorbing nutrients from the water. However, their small size makes them more susceptible to being eaten by tiny zooplankton. On the other hand, larger phytoplankton are not as efficient at taking in nutrients, but they often have a better chance of avoiding predators. This dynamic between size and survival is fascinating and impacts the entire marine food web. In marine biology, understanding the size of phytoplankton is vital. It helps scientists figure out how energy and nutrients flow through marine ecosystems. For instance, smaller phytoplankton are a primary food source for many small fish and invertebrates. In contrast, larger phytoplankton can support bigger marine animals. Monitoring phytoplankton size is also important for managing ocean health. It can help predict how changes in phytoplankton populations might affect larger species, including commercially important fish and marine mammals. So, when you think about the vast oceans, remember that these tiny plants, ranging from just a few micrometers to a couple of 100 micrometers, are crucial for sustaining marine life. They may be small, but their impact is enormous.